In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll have the Microsoft Teams app connected to your Monday.com account so you can streamline collaboration, keep conversations and updates in sync, and reduce the need to jump between tools. First, open your browser and go to Monday.com, then sign into your account. Make sure you're using a supported browser and that you have permission to install apps on your workspace. If your organization manages apps centrally, you may need admin approval to complete the installation, but you can still start the process and follow along. Once you're in, look to the top right of the Monday.com interface and click the small puzzle-shaped icon. This opens the Apps Marketplace, which is where Monday.com hosts official and partner-built apps. If the marketplace opens in a new panel or window, that's normal. Give the page a moment to load so you see the latest available apps and categories. In the marketplace, use the search bar and type Microsoft Teams. Keep the spelling exact to surface the correct integration quickly. You should see a result labeled Microsoft Teams, often with the recognizable Teams logo. If you don't see it immediately, try clearing any active filters or make sure you're searching across all apps, not just a specific category. Click the Microsoft Teams result to open its app page. Here, you'll find an overview of what the integration does, common use cases, screenshots, and the permissions it requires. Take a moment to review this page so you understand how information will flow between Monday.com and Microsoft Teams. This is also a good place to confirm that the app is published by a trusted source. When you're ready, click Install App. The button might read Install, Add, or Add to Account depending on your plan and interface, but it performs the same action. If a permissions window appears, review the details and proceed to grant access so the integration can connect properly. In some organizations, an admin approval screen may show up. If that happens, you can send the request and return here once it's approved. After the installation completes, you'll see a confirmation message and the Microsoft Teams app will be available to your account. That's it. You went to Monday.com and signed in, opened the apps marketplace with the puzzle icon, searched for Microsoft Teams, opened the app page and installed it. If you run into issues, refresh the page, verify your access level, or check with your workspace admin about app permissions. Thanks for watching and enjoy the smoother collaboration between Monday.com and Microsoft Teams.